Okay, so thank you for continuing. So what we're gonna go ahead and do right now is if you guys can bring out a pen or pencil or paper, whichever you feel most comfortable with writing with. We're gonna go over some examples before I do hand out the worksheet for you guys to work on. So the first example that we have here. So we have the squirrel sign. We have two squirrel signs. So then for the squirrel sign, let's go ahead and go look up to the symbol. Here goes the squirrel sign. What number is above that? Good job. 100. So we're going to have 100 twice. So we're going to have 100 plus 100. So let me go ahead and go along with you guys on that. So we'll have 100 plus 100. And then we have the heel bone. We have that 3 times. So let's look back up to see the heel bone is the number 10. So we'll just go ahead and add that 4 times. So then plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. I'm sure you guys get the idea. So then we have this symbol, which is, I'm sure that's probably not hard to figure out, which is the staff stroke. So it's the number 1. So then we're just going to add the number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So then, of course, let's add all that up together, which is the 100 plus 100. Of course, I thought that's 200. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. So either 10 times 4, which is 40. So that's 240. Plus the 1, which is 5. So that comes out to 245. So let's go ahead and add that to the side. And I have to apologize because I'm limited on space here. So then that's the answer of 245. Does anyone have any questions as far as how I got that answer or any confusion? No? Okay. So let's go ahead and go to number 2. This one's a lot more simpler with less symbols or numbers, however you like to do it on your end. So we have 2 of these symbols, which is the heel bone. So then we go to the heel bone symbol or key. We see the number 10. So then we see 10. So then we, of course, put the 10 under the symbol plus another 10 because there's 2. Equals 10 plus 10 equals 20. Good job, class. So then we go to number 3. Before we do that, does anyone have any questions? No? Okay. So then we go to number 3. We have a little bit more symbols to work with, but let's go ahead and take a look. So we have these 2, I call them squiggly lines, but they look like squirrels. So we'll go to the squirrels. We have 100. We have 2 100s down there since there's 2 symbols like that. So we'll do 100 plus 100. And then we have 2 symbols again, which is the heel bone once again, which is, since there's 2, that comes out to 20. So we'll add the 10. And like I said, I do apologize because I am limited on the space here. So 100 plus 100 is 200. 10 plus 10 is 20. So adding that together, that comes out to 220 as your answer. So of course, once again, this one is 245. When we add all these symbols together, this one is 20. When you add the 10 and the 10, which is the symbol heel bone together. And then the squirrel lines, which is 200, and then plus the heel, which is 20, which comes out to 240, sorry. And then, so, since I've already done this on the board, go ahead and get started on your problems. And let me know if you have any questions.